for high juicy news. Mima Obibia Akwaba. Latest hot news. And I'm with bro. Now, answer and something in Ababano. So when you subscribe, you abomodi and say over subscribe to channel. Now, I like video. Don't give us a thumbs up. Now, share my wafu so now when you be here. Now, and somewhere so ewo Ghana memoir. Afi ye share a year and somewhere abeto yepono so. Yetie a yes, I report here about to your answer me, Muma Inti.
Why not a better TV so a castle, young Toma, sa candidate way on the Tibrofo, na Kennedy Agyapong on Tibrofo. China Noa, Yakobo Bision, on the Brofuna Juma. Korea for, on the Brofuna Juma. Malaysia for, at the Brofuna Juma. Only mistake. India for, almost fix it. Misty planting. One day, me buy a my iron rods line every 222 meters. To be called Gina, it a share. Now, my friend, I'm so young call lunch. I'm going to call Owusu Noble. You call Mr. Tessa may come before and a barco sorry. Oh, boss. No money in a chibrofu. Me imagine say India a British colony into automatically. These are engineers. Krabie, di krum, province. Kasanu different. Do language. And I yes machines ye ton. Day na Ghana nkwade. Your leaders no say this a brofun kwa. Na Uganda escapo han. Emudu do say na doctorate degree. The doctor man cry the chair based on the Juma Waye and all over the world. Say na tech for no bemwa unya educated people here. And this is Ghana. You see the problem we have in this country is brofo. Na brofo we are say you don't IMF. Yeah, ban some kasia ye kai. Yes, we have failed. We have to admit, as people, apologize to Ghanaians and move on. But you can't, Musi Ghana. Now, a whole lawyer, a team Bejinaho, a case, Kennedy Agyapong, Timbrofu, Obizu, Mekwa, come, motherfucker. Even if I say, motherfucker, and a Ghana for Benya Jumaya, oh, that is good. Now we be Tinko, that is good. Now your pocket is empty.
So meaning say as someone because can say you say lawyer touching and e can say me say yem toma monto delegates into abama obi a una koma enha no bokako to blow and answer be asema wo kan we na ano edin dodo nti no o kan asem no makoto no blow. You see also come make a statement a good one must say a disco boy be a year audio be by video and some I will not repeat it and attach a minimum answer channel some minimum answer channel and continue minister that the way OCDD Akufo Addo attempt actually more Heathrow airport no one say and you run in a Niswa Akufo Addo government obeji minister. Wow.
Yeah, Mr. Heathrow airport airtime in summer or to me repeat it.
Why you lawyer pain?
Only I'm a lawyer.
Only a lawyer.
No, but I'm a classmate.
Okay.
Meaning the same the boom. Me try economics, not me literature. Yani a room former. A discourse ga former near.
I know say na do anything.
Debbie, I can't say. First, this time you're too much to make.
Oh no. And also, no one will be no can say, hey, you're sure no can say you're taming or you're doing a lot of disservice to yourself. Why you nim one or you nim say on a weekend there? But
I'm so strong. Even a Kwabena will do a lot of politicians will not even get the courage to come and speak to you because intimidation, they are still deceiving themselves that we are in power. We are not, and they are still intimidating. But I'm cool with it. Now, and yes, sir, will be a tubufu. Me first.
Okay.
And son, who said, Ghana for Kurano. Now, MP Baku, a frame. No catch up the massa, say, a do so. you are going to win. Name Okano credit. Politics and Kano Cressa.
San MP ne country.
Yes, not at the speaker. No me do. Tida be out here masu we. That's what Kano credit
no Kano so.
Oh, just
Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, a presidential candidate hopeful New Patriotic Party. Honorable Abahase. Honorable Mwatinase.
Yeah, me aba.
Bibi aboko de.
Nyame adom ene mo Bible.
E de nyame ase who ye fa na pay.
Sa no, who fetch.
That's pa. Yembu eye nkompo kakra enko ye chi na we mrahye bedwani. Sese wuni ho no mo bio. O wani so ade ho kese a wo pese wutu franka ema eye New Patriotic Party. Yenhwe woni ayonkofa e da wo manfo a na wo represent wo mo e wo parliament sese. Montem te say.
Oh, what the come up me time na minya enko.
Okay.
But my constituency there, I'm still in touch.
Okay.
With them.
Okay. Me name say what kwa proboni bia e wo Greater Accra. I say within the phone esi wa things wa komo me nsa yen hwe reception no wo kwa say na esitie e bia bre wo free bia euphoria na te say ye boje wo so de wo expected as pepe na ye koso ana.
Nia me expected ye sa pepe but when you say John and a kind. Or see if he
delegates.
If he's a candidate, be a qua on the budget. So,
okay.
Inti say, my team out there. So, your budget, so I'm going to win now. Obetina in your ma
after say.
The media, I keep going.
Okay. So, you share 2023 primary, sir, a core year. You share a Honorable Kennedy Agyapong 17,282 votes, Greater Accra. And Dr. Bawumia 19,002 votes. Some margin we say less than 2,000. A DNA man winya regime say Aremeyaw Anas 31st January 2026. A betene ama wetimi enya major votes.
In your mabibri bemana ten first. Omo say the only candidate wetimi age power ama NPP. Kennedy Agyapong.
Okay.
If he says I will share near Ghana for nsema omuka. But lose me voice kakra. Tiana. Ejumane edeni. O share Ghana for nsema omuka such delegates. Inti the share near air corner this time there. Aha. A better if he say time near Wabaimon no Queenie. Not intimidation, it also.
Oh,
not intimidation.
From the other side.
Yes, God. Omoye government favorite.
Oh.
They actually intimidated people.
So what kind of omoye government favorite? Meaning say womo koye no. The obejina pa na se di no jina towa. Ye beka so wa ben mu kese pa Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia.
Well, if that,
no.
Yeah. He was a government favorite. Now one thing Ghana has me 10% cry. They use security, national security, police, military, EC, all ministers, CEOs, MCs and DCs, everybody was part of it. To make sure say Inibabako win. This time it's not there. So intimidation is not there. President Niho, Vice President Niho, Minister Niho, CEO Niho, MCs Niho. They don't have control on police. They don't have control national security. They don't have control military. Inti tables no 10.
Okay.
But I'll make sure say I will guard against rigging. Okay. The only alternative will be rigging. And I want to assure them say they shouldn't try it.
Talking about rigging, no, and near maybe Honoma, Obeka say, popoye. I would when you get your say, so one year she rigging because one big statement say you want free and fair elections.
Yes.
Bibi Ohon will be a done idea. Say rigging.
Yes. Ebine proxy. The last time, Obitume to proxy baku 200.
Nipa baku for.
Yes. obi to baku 40 election and now all control so Omu Ankasa at the elections committee used himself as an example. Say any proxy 40 or the gumwa and the content no ebiti no.
Nipa na kansa.
Yeah, okay. Ewo elections committee. Omu o timbi or nipa kese pa.
A won pese obeboni di.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ena okay say proxy no dey mon fan to nchen because yep say party no akofom nti epekuru ya yema fairness enye adwuma enu yifrim no ensema ebe chire ni bad no krani mamemfa wafidie so emmo elections committee na so far there so good they've been very fair.
Okay, and out of that no Omaka say this time no omo allow proxy voting, so exactly. What supporters are
yes.
Oh,
now I'm got to what be winning, what winning, me and I support. Maybe just this Tuesday, almost last week here, say, Abra, what the guidelines are for party aspirants. Kennedy Agyapong. Yeah, what? Say, a failure, almost percent NPP for Ankasa, a fact, almost security, and nobody are called guard. A monitor
within the party and
within
security.
The party. Abra mama guidelines. Say there. Ma regional chairman, constituency chairman. Obi akoto aba free ho then police. Then they went to justify their case to elections committee say omo pese failure ye fa internal security. Medina omobo boy na esre.
So he for this internal security no.
And phobia omo fi say baby a ekono. Omo we are rigging no say no the last time entimi maso. Enti me intel nyana my omo din omo ka say the D-Day and tokwa besi ene now I wouldn't talk about senator umpe party ni. And no say any power be muntino. Obia I study.
Okay.
And the only way person is a failure, the party security. Meaning about what you will be paying.
Honorable Obeka say you're speaking in parables. So I say almost he for this party security in Baba.
Well, Osha list on the buyer, it favors one candidate. Who? But they know themselves. Fortunately, elections committee and also Omanyantu. And what means that, sir, 2023, acquire Omufaso. Even that, I got 37.4%. This time, sir, Kwan, you have my chance. They use the EC. We say EC, et me frère. Boss no to me frɛ isi na owo polling station also ompene emma zero no one man instructions for nyina ma one candidate me man zero
2023
yes I have all the evidence
later no sa isi rep no woman no buy wo be confess say and
yes why they give, and one of them in the video Wale I will mention it. Wale. I got 92 votes. Now, Omuka immediately na obi yishen botomo. Yeah, and we have the videos. Maybe and the chairman himself met me at Kotuka International Airport. So Kajem said, they promised Papa no 100%. Inti minya be the number go monimase. Inti no mam zero.
They promised most definitely. They promised Dr. Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia.
Yes,
100%.
100%.
But out of 92, no.
They gave me zero. Kotuka International Airport. He told me, Osre and okay. Okay, today.
Wow. Talking about ASR, the Wakasisi, doesn't mean say the top to bottom approach, it's a deliberate thing.
Oh, yes.
Said
favor. Oh, yes. But, Omunya, and and go back postpone, but I too late.
Ombe postponing the date.
Yes.
For voting. No. I didn't see the man who say Omunya Ombe postponing.
That's so much from the Fenia Konoa. Omo who say, Omo who say, in your man and easy, sir. I mean, I'm a tofu. One person handling them. And this time, sir, MCs, any CEOs, any ministers are not contributing to one person. It's not there. Because they themselves, they are not sure of the outcome.
Talking about MCs and CEOs, and then you were member of parliament, who share Dudu or Maba out, Ebekasi rally support behind a Dr. Bawumia. Still, I and also be one of all these people represent a constituency.
Omo ego. Any acquire omu faso a treaty me. Ever 2023, most of them are afraid even to come closer.
Omu treaty was saying.
Now, say you saw what happened. They were all part of it to make sure, say, because mechanical, because me nipa ombeti me use me. You can't use me.
Also, you think so? Omo you use omo.
Yeah, obia use me. Me ni position there. As you nyame adom ti da bia medidi enti ade a yema Ghana enko ana me o ade a ye interest o be ka kire me a menye say in the interest of the country menye and they find me to be a very difficult person yentimi and control me.
Okay when we say we need position ba obi tin say obeka say ade a eno so in a way e betimi a ground e ye se bia wo benya contract. But say what buying ewo hono manasa say what buying the evulia the possibility say ubenya contract no high and honorable Ken the past administration no winyinya contractor
of course
edisika baya
na edisika me top pickups 240 pickups used once every month na me dey menya contract but omo no a omo kase menya contract no omo munya bia na no more than somebody at least there's evidence of me in your contract with the big boy party almost so a dear no day
and no your almost side that when huna say
me bibia
obiba can say a good deed is lost when it's mentioned in tibia me big boy party I didn't come out to talk about it but party paying for the enim say me
ye Adorye no ma party no babia and you say make a position and my minister contribute to a candidate he wants to be secured of his position make the contributor to party itself tell my opposition near Yesika na Yesika as late as May 2016 na pickups to constituency Ukrainian American cars pickups used 240 I can mention all the MPs on Boakye Agyarko because we have the list. My manager, Constable, and Mohammed, they have all the list.
Okay.
But they know they have me. What you say? We all live with our conscience. And now, Nintia and Hamani say, or say, anybody who is a leader and is not criticized by some of his people means he's not doing something right. So long as I get criticism from others, it means I'm doing something right. Because who criticize you, you step on toes. But the country's interest is supreme. Okay. Adia enya for Ghana. We NPP new, we NDC new, Mecca.
There was an amount to be a woman with support out the boa a party Mekai say engineer Kwabena Agyapong ebeka say sasi kana wo kan say wo de man no kure bia sa
sabro no odo no a young man we school fufuro now I could have gone further to give more details. Dr. Prekudumu I a witness my contribution to Eduboy. But in 1992 we're talking They don't even know this history.
Okay. Then you still stand by it saying, do you discuss Ama?
Of course.
Oh.
Of course.
I see. Do you get worried and hurt? Say party what dedicated Wama na a name we hear omo in a way one support and I say individuals be our boy woman or madan woman chiamount. Eya.
We nipa ebeya me hwe wo baby am picky wo free bam fie East Legon yet odidi young men and net omo ye me enemies. But because Bible Quran was Yesu esa akwatafo du yare no ba ko pe na beda na se. But you know what? Me working the flip side and he said party for no ehunu a Ghana for the omu ade amaye.
Okay.
Na no yeko pon katamanso. Testimony anipa mienu ebe ma wo me ho. Ba ko osi maami bi oye woman police station woman organizer.
Okay.
Ochi ade anopa. Na ye hunye ye ena anwa ejanu ehwe ni gu no ho nanim ene sebe ne nufu ho nyina. Omu fra party panyini bia oma mwa wo. Ena ofreme okaso police station woman organizer padam so the 37 momfani shia me ho. And they brought the woman. We did no man here equal any doctors in Kokasai. No, see 50,000 or share Benz in a year. I'm so I'll pay. So we have preparation, Anna, Mamma, a week. But Papa, no, my expertise of my baby dance here. But Obai, Sanya of free party paying for OBM1. Na me Asin Central MP. Ofre me na be yes ama no de odi dance ya chiro me nam referee. 2 the profound one or the most serious one maami bi anso be dia dance ya say na ne ba apasi when admission to medical school where a police station woman organizer e wo pon katamanso enna aka few days na aso na admission no atwam to onya sika na oso obi kire ko ono Kennedy Agyapong ho ohu we a obeboa enti oba me nchen no e wo parliament the share girl no resource ara say we nko ade metua ma ba wo free and also free adanse asokwa tam so and ma me fro MP and I'm friend na the speaker asama adanse asokwa MP no ebeka kire me say wonu wanya osika na ode chicha dia ene kokotua
sana MP ne kan
yes maybe review the woman repeated it which means me will fida and she will never forgive that MP and girl or 5th year every year I pay the school fees. You see, and yet baby I will think okay, why I say me friend 37 Omudimrika I prepare BBAMA because of my contribution to 37 military hospital. Oko Ashanti region, there were 47 members of parliament, both NDC and NPP. Na Konfanochi oncology department, omu machines are say. When you about ukwa cancer treat patients, you know, egugu from sa na doctor be appeal to me. Nam kaje so onko meba. Ti Saturday or Baba Tuesday, Saturday nam ko Kumasi. Enyumre what I saw agre hui. Omo the cardboard and atuto and omo the stones atuto say me nam ba first me nam diso. I will come from Nochi hospital. Nania a touch me a man moya papa bi onon dia rutu se na ne yare em aduachiri na ne yere edda form no de nsa atu me ko so I say what I will pay this money and you all am say send ye be no so omo agent wa ha obetimi a service machine but we say yamfa $145,000 na ma onye I'm so okay and net a Saturday. Monday, mama musikano. It's a bon free agent to the man. Not here. Why, apart from me, NPP candidate in Obian to winning? Because Ghana for Jimmy D, TNC here. And you're free agent to know. And I'm so, and the weekend, to me so, Monday, meba, na me di sikaramo. Asma papa kaya, fe, and he say, or say, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, I'm going to say, hi. Or say, Unquadi, or China Sunday, meba be started. Meaning so this kind of a moment.
Even though now face kind of the facts are what one man will, you know.
The Monday sharp, and I'm a man $150,000. Actual bill, no, 145, but at least doctors in painful, you know, those things. Say the betting and so we got to talk mattress, pillows, bed sheets. Say oncology department, or admission ward no. Say Mabroswa. At least for mattress, bed sheet, any pillow, and to so. Nipano and naso.
Instead of say just cupboard keke wo for.
No, who say nipa. Then yet is anya. Wo did that what is a sebi. Upon Jibia, wo anakrama ebia wo. Ni na o mo hwe. Ba unim doctor no ba ko. Echo radio so. Echo can say me and I'm here contributions here. And the MPs were threatening him.
Threatening the doctor?
Yes.
So about
yes, Ashanti region.
Or mention MPs in the DHL.
I know them. Because they're supporting one person and two. Because Adi also moye. Oma said yen. And they were threatening the doctor. Besides that, emergency ward on me call what I saw. I later went again and donated 200 hospital beds. If you say, Ghana for even equal rounds, my whole hospital in Yoma. Mama, a few quanta in Yoma. Mama Cape Coast in Yoma. Hospital in Yoma. Which of the candidates says almost you? Which of the candidates and what team agreeing beyond NPP party? A bois Ghana for. This is why Ghana for you, Magrin said, Member I am Pono, a bra me show otchere, more browa for, and Ghana, they are going to vote for me.
Okay, Honorable, what can't they say, you know, Mame Emfa, a Pulsar, a Global Info Analytics, Edituja, a November, Oma, a Dr. Bawumia 42.7%, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, a 17.7%, undisclosed. One more just one kase meto ama we na say 14.9 and na undecided 19.3. Who bibi say ya any grounds no said de wo kase sie said de adoya wo ye said de susu omanfo bi wani e mo mama testimony na eye grounds no so bibi Paul say ba ebu wa bemu ana
me ana me hwe bi kura o
wonhwe me ni za wonje ndi
no me hwe bi.
Also, one shade, also be but at least
madam,
what say?
Omo de nipa saying, and we interview. 210,000. Who go for 2,000? Now they are deciding. Now another trick. Oppose. Or start a time ben with Dr. Bawumia. Percentage ben or what? Is what you have 42. That alone you give it. And na Kennedy Agyapong, age 17. The last time Okasi Menya say, and Menya say, and the name Shebi, send your man a muba bemu. I'm staying focused. Focus. Giving my message.
Okay, who stay focused? You because no, who can Agyapong? They said we see Ghana had ye bold will be an so yes Kenny. Nesi Kenny dear, over saying Kosoana ye wadoye. A dainty and a man who say, Mammy ain't too franca a mammy party. Na me me di Ghana him. A day on a
It's a good question. You know, let me tell you, money is good, but money is not all. So uti a krum now fee say unkwan wosika na obia wo Ghana enya kwamawa one day so what kind French Revolution the masses will revolt against you, kill you and take what you have. And even that is in the Bible. Akwataphobia Bible no say omo yade na abomination nti ama omo nkokrum na yade omo gu gate ya no a omo ntumi nkom. Omo decide say ekom di omo tina gate na chi a omo with the kom omo ko eno ya one option but so omo tumi eforso ekokrum wa either so menya duane adi anaso omo ebekom enti eno two options no they decided to go into the city and the Bible nature says emra ekrom wofo hu omo no omo si abomination omo dwane enti omo so edidi pintin eye kama enti sa ustavo nipa da bia ekom ahokyera Arab Spring ebetimi asiwa and again I mean can be intro I go and pitch businesses with investors ukwa they are more comfortable say and career president so that we can secure their investment niami nyina adakru for 30,000 acres adidomi 30,000 acres sege 56,300 acres nyina based on trust the record medru no my research about me and they are prepared to take a risk but so your president believe no aso because you can protect their investment and they are ready to come and invest to reduce unemployment rate. My concern here is the youth unemployment. And I decided say my contest to be and with all business connections and business acumen, I will be able to reduce unemployment in this country by industrializing Ghana. And my say, Sika as you say, no, cannot help the country. Okay. If you are just positioned, so we share 5 northern regions. My sister, so ukohwa asasi e daho na yenya president ni vice president ni continuously every ho no want to develop that area awero and so may the one statement pay first may the Minister of Agriculture Ebekot Northern Region to promote agric Ministry of Agriculture the headquarters will be in the 5 Tamale. And the investors member. Now the difficult part our north when say and my voter for any Accra plains is again any advantage because I only more in your mind northern region any voter. The first question they ask, what is the distance from location now per se at the end to Temaport and now airport? And who goes against the north? And you have to be president with conscious effort. Say, I'm going to develop the place. And then I'm saying Tamale Airport. About 90% of it, the big cargo sections.
Okay.
So that from a hub to Europe is about 5.5 hours. Now every evening, planes, cargo planes. At the Newman Echo. When you know, my sister, me businessman, mentimi enye.
Okay.
Mentimi enye.
Ebimo so ewo view say you trust the country in the hands of a businessman. Or the bear enriching them. There's no way so better how many businesses are collapsing. Or the eno ye ben at the moment.
Yeah, very simple. Omo in business here. And I make say, me baby, oh hear me from a sin dumping. Baby, my bedroom. Me yango pon kura betri ameka.
Hey.
Yeah, said me be fa Ghana sika. And they are enrichment. Yango pon betri ameka. Rather, it's good for the businessmen because me a businessman. Frustrations we go through Ghana who establish a business who are enemy to the government. Policies are binding Beninano. It doesn't encourage businesses except foreigners.
And Tina, recently you made a comment about say GRA injuries or more hunting businessmen. Me
co-store at the park co-store ni Lebanese ni die ni share war. Maybe co-store 14,000 tons. On the area about 1,000 something. Now we share the fleet of trucks a banho ebe fish as a load fish. Now maybe the no enipa emma ho regularly. Now omo the GRA for betina me co-store for 3 months. Now omo arrogance pa. Or no worker from GRA, instructions are Obama owner no. You have no idea. Meanwhile, no Lebanese in anything. No, till one day I called them and said, Mumra, Munina, one how many trucks are is this a small coast or now? Have you seen that 3 months now? Why do you treat Ghanaians like that? Why? I didn't leave Lebanese off the hook. Let's trucks, businesses are all here.
Omo reason is saying.
Almost say only a small scale. Na small scale no. Trucks no ebe yiko, eba na yiko. Large scale. Me my register VAT. I'm with your taxes no. And what more better now? And this a year making. Almost changing company needing 5 times. Lebanese for. That's what they do. Again, Ghana, South Korea loan, and they are expanding business. My sister, 35%. Ghana bank give me approaching so. Yebema may almost the state of the steel plant into Yebema here 22%. Abra 8 companies are when steel foreigners. They take a loan from Omkrum. Between 3 to 5%. And to me, I would demand 22%. Madam, I'm no competing. And to them, minimum what to do for businesses in this country. Yeah? Say now, me no crazy no more permasem. A cratch for more to me a co. Mako Jessica 800 million. Somebody be boost to businesses, entrepreneurs. No Mako formal development bank. Development bank no mu we no ma sa disikano akoma commercial banks at a rate of 18%. What business no? Because bank na with this 18% and also at an interest better so because o default you are expecting your 18%. So what have you done to Ghanaian businesses? I have the experience. Okay. I know what to do. I call something Asia Miracle. Asia Miracle, we say, we identify your boss. Say, we're a veteran in business. What are his challenges? Government. Ebetimi abuano. Am I expanding? No, what to creating more employment. They give loans. Untria interest, but they will ensure the payback. That is exactly what I'm going to do.
Okay, so without interest, but you can't
you pay back. Okay, but Ghana have default rate and also into the better politics are umbegu country. No?
Okay,
but we still have to believe in Ghanaians, so we are capable of doing everything. But at the same time, we have to be disciplined. And your party has some, and your mini has some.
Okay.
Why? Yeah. A government will be a shareholder in the business based on the percentage of Sika, the amount Akoto equipment near you. When you pay it off, the business is yours. We move on.
Oh no, but now what must Sika without interest? Nani pano 8 year. government and so better survive it.
So why can I answer question? Who's in the Nipan etia?
Because say in si one e wo ho no so no beti media dane. For instance, ye exchange rate eba na ye forex enye stable. Na okoma nipa ni sika. The time nipa ni betua no na se bia sika bia dollar na e higher. How do you
you pay it in dollars. Again, the key point here is that employment. Don't think of the money that you are going to make alone. The people that you create jobs for them. A hokurano taxes can offset their loan. What you say? Look, why is it that China for almost citizens Sisika, no interest, nothing, to go and invest in Africa? Now, Okuemi, why are imports? A year Ghana for a year there, and he said, Ghana products, on by every year, one board being China, wako import to a better duty. Why? Okuemi has no subsidies. Fertilizer, Otuya, other chemicals, Otuya, Okoji Lona, in Siwu, Oba we na be an board. Enti agro processing industries, Omo Betwa, Omo ton at a higher age. Near ethanol plant, Ewo Adidomi, $100 million. Many conform way, as Omo Kyeremanteng say, Ghana a bro a boarding. Enti Yankoto a browning free Brazil. Nam say obi a maimati Ghana a German. Some baby Juma ama water for any bia. Menkoto a bro no way. Whatever it takes to reduce the cost of production, Ebama Yaya competitive, I'm going to do it. That is mechanized, large scale, with irrigation, a long-term investment, but I'm prepared to do it. I don't say, so to me, a brono, $150 per ton. In 2 years, $100 million in America. So that's my goal now. In Ghana, in your mabwa, a denny, and nam loan in Siwu. Another thing I cool businesses, they have to believe in me. And he said, electricity. Electricity. The cost of electricity, Malusu 2 investors. They came here, India, for me buy. A Juma a person, and Obi Sam say, India, electricity, a boat say. And I'm so, 15 cents per kilowatt hour. I say, how? On Tiase. They move the company factory no Gyamfi Ako Cote d'Ivoire at 8 cents per kilowatt hour. How are we going to compete with Ivorians? Now my lawyer is into poultry. Aremeyaw also to Kwaku Africos. He has selected 3 biggest poultry farmers to go and learn poultry in Ivory Coast. I was sad. That is why you need a businessman who have experience. Maybe I'm a manufacturer as well. And I mean challenges in businesses are say to me a solve our problem now. Employment be creative.
Kasafa a solve our problem now and a daily guide ediaba. I will ban $4.5 billion food import. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong.
Yeah. Let me explain them. Before you ban it, you should make sure that your supply exceeds demand. Into the first year, you have the preparation, farmers, subsidies here making, because, bro, my sister, 5 northern regions, Asante region, Eastern region, Central region, Western region, Volta region, everywhere, it do bro. Everywhere. And so you import corn oil. This is an example of it. Now majority of Ghanaians import nimse ya the broya and one. Now ukwa pharmacy papa bi wabeche me bro 1,000 bags. Wadwa bro no na ba na onya buyers. Meanwhile, when you find wet process no ubetimi anya in your mobile 5 wom at a go. And a dry one ubenya 3. into word processing, the machines, no, the board, then chain dry.
Okay.
Word process, you can get ethanol, you can get starch, you can get oil, you can get poultry feeds, you can get carbon. Carbon. Sa Pepsi Cola also be so yes. And now the quantity kurana we 50,000 tons. Breweries ni omo you have ground. They don't even buy to 50,000 tons. And no cry a problem. And as a exporter, the difference is $30. I'm saying, well, a big wire waste in it, let's export it and still make the $30.
I see.
Right? We corn grits, Syria, to say a baby. A brilliant me. We. Good. Right? Got a new boy. Why is Syria? We package the NFA.
Of course, no way a gun in India.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, no war. Wasa Amenfi, Wasa Krupon, and a boy see ASA. These are the people I'm talking of. Say, we have to identify them and help them.
Okay. Intisaniama we say na ye betimi aye wo ha say no. Ye de free ama no ne ba no eno na wo ka ho asem se be ba ne. Honorable ye kasa say you made mention of enam wo coastal.
Yeah.
Does it mean say wo be ba ne coastal so ana? Sa products
why not? Why not? I'm going to build Mauritania, Morocco, Namibia, Angola. That is where Ghana for a fishing harbor
okay.
Now banning importation will not affect them because Mamika themselves, if they don't get it right, I'm going to give fishing vessels to canoe owners. So canoe no fish market. We are going to give them right. You give them fishing vessels. With government guarantee loans, everything, for them to pay in 10 years, no interest.
Hey.
Yes. My sister, yes, sir. You import $450 million fish a year into this country. Now, Obama, would you for 1 year crowd 450 million at fishing vessels? Do you know how much money we are going to make out of it? And how many? Yes, sir. Would be offsetting 450 million because the fishing industry is between 80 to 100 billion dollars. And Ghana, we are not taking advantage of the sea.
What about sea? What can also the Ubey hotel ube sea airports would they beko and
yes.
Ubi baby say. Sanya maka kaka we Honorable Kennedy Agyapong ekeken he fa no kofa sika ba beka me kai say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wa campaign say politicians dey mutimi twantro especially say mo ye campaigner and some a mo beka no ye nsem a bi wo no ma ntumi enye obekwa kofa sika wo hin na wo dey aye we nya
mama sika ye benya no ha ya
ye benya sika wa
because we have to get our basics right. When we have the basics right, say sika ye nya wo Ghana ha acquire ye faso and spend this sika no, I will stop it and make sure that we put into good use.
Ube stop it. How are you going to stop
the
it?
loopholes? Ask the finance ministers themselves. They will tell you the loopholes. I'll block all the loopholes and make sure that revenue no abayin ho yet media yes project in here. Again, Mami answer. If I tell you, say, I'm going to build a hotel in the middle of the sea, I have lined up investors already. And the builder himself, Abekurumuha, Menena Baha. Madam, I just don't talk. I brought the Jordanian to see Sa Hotel, no. I was in Zionumu. I was Dubai. I brought him here. We've inspected the place. Owusu from Committee 3, Watra, Habono. because of the harbor into Obanenim to Jehovah Witness side hono. And when you be penetrating, I could see is a hotel no a problem. Oba and no catch him so no minim no catch him so. The classmate wa on in the Harvard. A B5. Now I still you know. I was in a classmate, you know. So we went to Santoku, Zani friend, Villaggio, Japanese restaurant, and a cottonasi. So we need at the center of the World Hotel, you started. I've laid down the plans. And again, the answer to your question is, I am partnering, Ghanaians are going to partner investors. I am a woman kwa MFA 100%. If government has to guarantee loans, Krama, local banks, you know, Amasika, I will also force them, because the government is guaranteeing, you cannot charge them 35%. Or else you knock them out of business. I've lined up 13 billionaires, but I could become 14. Or no, or build ships, or design and build ships, Indian billionaire. Only here, president of Billionaires Association in Dubai. He was here. I mean, in a call, Charles Bisu was there, ready. What forced me a campaign into sign MOU to be see February. Also, on the young man 50 acres for Takoradi Port, he will start building. So that is what I mean. What you say? I have investors to say, Maji Adidomi 30,000 acres. Yeah, by ethanol plant. I'm doing it with the investors. What I am interested is the employment of 2 factories in Adidomi and Adakuru, 5,000 workers. And a government, any taxes, a fee, any production, exporter, a buying so, you have to take risk in business. And we don't have to be myopic thinkers. Oh, no, as soon and into here, my koto iron rods. Now a big project number. I wanted a discount because around 8 companies, meaning I are foreigners. So what? I'm going to build a steel plant, and I've done exactly that.
I see. Honorable, the work Kenya idea ebeboa o mindful. And again, ebesanya baby drew say, as a say we o mampenyin and son and near my work Kenya na wetimi ayana.
And I'm sure Magia Sassi. 30,000 acres. Adakuru. 30,000 acres. Adidomi. 56,300 acres. There tomatoes.
Okay.
Near Kani. Near cherry tomatoes. Spain. They were contract already that they want to buy. Oko North wa soya bean. They were contract from Chinese company. 2.5 million tons. Already. Say, Totin Otchere. I've acquired Asase 15,000 acres. And here you 100 acres per for pharmaceutical industry, the biggest in West Africa. Meaning I on hold because of campaign.
Oh, okay. So a idea
oh yes, win or lose.
Lose. Oh, okay.
I mean, may are very daring.
Okay.
Win or lose. Now I go to Asasika. No me get to work again. How?
I mean, because say person the president we more then no what me establishing in.
Me see when you know.
Idea will be. Okay. Mame en kind as someone who can when they say I don't speak good English, good enough English to go to IMF for loans, tell them this. Ghana needs experts in job creation, not experts in loan collection.
Yeah.
And he found a very good in our more expert in speaking good English for loan collection.
Now, why in a better TV so I can't say oh young Toma sa candidate way on the Tibrofo na Kennedy Agyapong on Tibrofo. China no o mu yakobo bisi on the Brofo na yadwuma. Korea for omo de brofo na adwuma Malaysia for e de brofo na adwuma oni mistake India for omo fix me steel plant no one day me buy na omo ye iron rods line no awie 222 meters to be called Gina etire ahwa no na me friend am so yam call lunch na dem call Owusu nobo ye ko ya no me started say me ka brofo a na ba ko sorry oh boss na omo nyina na chi brofo me madwene ni say India a British colony into automatically omo ka brofo these are engineers omo kura de omo di omo kurom omo province omo kasa no wom different omo di omo language and yes machines no ye ton den na Ghana nko ade ye leaders no say this brofo nko na Uganda escafo han emududu say na wo doctorate degree ye the doctor no man kra ye the chair no based on na dwuma waye and all over the world say na tech for no ebemu a unya educated people here and this out Ghana is it the problem we have in this country is brofo na brofo mu wi say ye ba wo IMF mu ye bansam kesi a ye kai yes IMF we have failed we have to admit as people apologize to Ghanaians and move on but ye ka mu say yes Ghana now a whole lawyer etim be gina ho e ka say Kennedy Agyapong te brofo obi nso say me kwa ko kam motherfucker even if I say motherfucker and a Ghana for benya dwuma ya oh that is good now we be otinko that is good now your pocket is empty
so meaning say as someone because can say you say lawyer touching and can say me say yem toma umuntu delegates into abama obi a una koma enha no boko to blow and answer be asema wo kan yende na ano edin dodo nti no oka asem makoto no blow you see also come make a statement egunu wonu mase adisco boy bi audio bi by video and some okan I will not repeat it and attach ya minimum answer channel so minimum answer channel and continue minister da the way OCDD Akufo Addo atem akire mo Heathrow airport no one say any woni na niso a Akufo Addo government obaji minister wow
yeah me see Heathrow airport in summer okan me to repeat it
mo why your lawyer pain
onye am lawyer da
onye lawyer
no but I'm a classmate
okay
meaning the sure the bom me try economics but me literature ya ni ye ewiem former Adisco is Gafoma and ye.
I know Sana do I any day.
Debbie, I can't say. First, Nankamaka. This time you're too much to make.
Oh no. And also, no one for me no can say, hey, you're sure no can you're taming or not. You're doing a lot of disservice to yourself. Why you nim one or you nim say? On a weekend there.
But I'm so strong. Even a lot of politicians will not even get the courage to come and speak to you because intimidation, they are still deceiving themselves that we are in power. We are not, and they are still intimidating. But I'm cool with it. Now, and yes, sir, will be a tumufo. Me first.
Okay.
And son, me who say Ghana for Kurano. Now MP Baku a frame. No catch up the massa. Say do so. You are going to win. Name o can credit politics and can cresa.
San MP ne catch.
Yes, not at the speaker. Na me yede ho. Ti da bia o de ma su we. So can credit no credit so. Oh, tiasie.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.